guys. So in this tutorial we are going to look at layer adjustment. When we say layer adjustment, what it means is we are going to add several blending options to our layer. Think of adjustment as setting or tuning your layer such that it meets your requirement or your preference. This is going to be your assignment for the day. So first, let's activate the rectangle tool, and then we are going to draw a circle. Now, for us to be able to draw all sides equal, press and hold down the shift key, and then you click and hold. Now move on your touchpad like this. When it's okay, you first of all release the click button. Good. Now you will release the shift, and then let's activate the move tool, which is V. Let me move it a little bit. I'm going to draw an ellipse, so I'll select the shape tool again, and then I will draw my ellipse something like this, right? Then I'm going to change the fill to red, and I'll come over here to blending options. Okay, blending options, and I'll play around until I get the one I want. Alright, so there you go. Then I will select the base ellipse, and then I'll come to FX. I'm going to add some little bit of shadow to it. Let's see the shadow drawn, and I'm going to adjust the shadow a little bit like this. I don't want it to be too, so maybe like this, right? Then I'll come to inner shadow. Let me give it an inner shadow of white. The white is going to make it fade as if alright, so there you go. This is how you can play around the various, you familiarize yourself with the various blending options. Let me choose black like this. Good. So play around, you do this, and then you also do this for me. See you in the next video.